Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing duplicate call logs or call history syncing between two iPhones and you want to stop sharing call history, then we are here to give you the full guide. So firstly, we would like to recommend that to not to use the same Apple ID in the both of your iPhones. But even if you are using the same Apple ID, then simply go to the settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. After you tap on your Apple ID, simply tap on the iCloud option available there. Then tap on the Show All option available. Then there you can see the contacts, toggle it off and tap on Keep on my iPhone. Now simply tap on the iCloud drive and turn it off. By following these steps, you should be able to stop sharing call history between the two iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.